Hi guys, welcome to the session. This is Prakash Math Tutor. Let's solve the question which I have written on the whiteboard. Given a company with 4,000 shares of a nominal value of rupees 110 each declares an annual dividend of 15%. Here we need to find the total amount of dividend paid by the company and then total income of Shahrukh, who holds 88 shares in the company, and then price paid for each share if he received only 10% of his investment. So write down the given details. The nominal value of one share is given, which is 110 rupees. So one share value is 110 rupees. So for 4,000 shares, the nominal value will be 4,000 times of 110, which is 4,40,000. So nominal value of 4,000 shares are 4,40,000. The dividend is given, which is 15%. Now find the total amount of dividend paid by the company. The total dividend paid by the company equals to 15% of 4,40,000. Percentage can be written as 15 by 100. So 15 by 100 into 4,40,000. If you simplify this, we'll get 66,000. So dividend equals to 66,000 rupees. So finally we can conclude that the total amount of dividend paid by the company is 66,000 rupees. Now find the annual income of Shahrukh, who holds 88 shares in the company. We know that nominal value of one share is 110 rupees. So nominal value of 88 shares is 88 times of 110, which is 9,680. So annual income of Shahrukh, who holds 88 shares, is 15% of 9,680 rupees. 15 by 100 into 9,680. If you simplify this, we'll get 1,452 rupees. So the annual income of 88 shares are rupees 1,452 rupees. Okay, now find the price he paid for each share if he received only 10% of investment. Let X be the price of each share. So if X is the price of each share, for 4,000 shares, the price will be 4,000 into X. Return is given, which is 10%. Dividend is given, which is 66,000 rupees. So we can write the expression as 10% of 4,000x equals to rupees 66,000. 10% of 4,000x will be 400x. So we'll get 400x equals to 66,000. And x is equals to 66,000 divided by 400, which is 165 rupees. So x is 165. So we can finally conclude that the price of each share is 165 rupees. I hope you understand this question. Thanks for watching.